Okay, so here we are with that 50K combine with NQ long right now. Looking for a target right here, almost to that target. Stops down here, giving it plenty of room to breathe. And yeah, we'll see if it gets there. I took my casino account. I was up $1,000 and blew it up today. I went from being up 1,000 to blown up in this crazy market. But it's kind of fun actually to just trade that thing and let it do its thing and not care about it. And then right now, though, I am in my NQ 50K combine, which I do care about. And looking for a target right here. Move my stop up and start trailing it once we get there. I took a short at the open, and I was up nicely in this. Just overstayed my welcome. Gave back my profits from the overnight. And now I'm back to basically a break even. I'm up $200 roughly right now. Struggling here, though, so I might not... I want to overstay my welcome again. Okay, here we go. Getting to the target.
Order filled.
Okay, so out of that trade, 667 so far. So looking to get back into NQ if another opportunity sets up. So I'm only about $950 away from passing my combine. So pretty sweet. I can almost do that today if a good setup happens. I was up 500 and like 550. Then I went down to losing, and now I'm back in the green. This wants to break the high. I might jump back in for a continuation here. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
So I put my sell stop order in as well. Not so I can get into the short side, but as soon as this breaks, I want to capture, make sure I'm good to go. If it did break quick to the downside, then I'll take a scalp there, but I just want to have my stop in right away. I'm not using the ATM right now. I think this could be the entry for a long right here. All right, I'll bring the next trade to you. Okay, so just jump back in, but I need to protect this trade here. So retrace this candle normal. Just don't really have the count size to be able to handle a big retracement. I should be trading in the micros. So once I get in the profit on this one, I'm going to get out and get into the micros. If I get that opportunity, I should not be trading in the minis right now. I mean, I'm up $600 in the day. I was up $600. Now I'm in the red. I was up $600 in the day. Trade the micros, make a little extra money, and protect the day's profits. At least I don't have a red day. Would be the right thing to do if I'm going to continue trading.
Order filled.
Okay, so out of that trade, $700 now in the account. Switching over to micros. MNQ, because I need to protect my account if I'm going to keep on trading. Buy stop market. One.
Order submitted.
Getting rejected right here at the top of this area. I do think we're looking at a run back up to the high over here.
Order filled.
Okay, just got back in. Sell stop
Order
market.
submitted.
Long MNQ this time. It's going to be my last trade, I think, of the day in this this account. Yep, I'd be up $260 right now if I was over in the NQ. Looking at 370, I'd be up looking to pass the combine today. But I'm going to protect today. This could be a squirrely day. All right, I'm going to take this. Break even plus a couple dollars. And it's going to go or it's not. And then I'm done for today.
Order filled.
All right, so out of that trade, so I'm going to close out the day with $740 in profits with my NQ combine. It's combine number 2 with the new thing. So looking at $52,149 now. So I'm about $850 away from passing this combine. So that literally could be tomorrow or this evening's session. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. Yes, it's tempting to keep on trading and try to pass the combine today, especially with the moves that are happening today. But at the same time, I could blow up the account today. I mean, look what I did with my casino account. You know, went up. I was up $1,000 from last night and blew up that account. So yeah, it's pretty squirrely. So one thing I'm going to do with the casino account, I think this is a plan going forward. I'm really happy that I started doing the casino account. So I think the plan going forward with that thing now is I'm going to try to trade mostly the micros just so it survives longer and I don't have to reset it every week. And then I think the goal for that account is to actually try to turn it into an XFA, because if I can turn it into an XFA, and even if that means trading, not casino trading, trading, a focused thing, to get it into an XFA to get a buffer on it, and then just trading the micros. With the XFA, I don't have a monthly rebill. So it's basically a free account. And if I trade the micros on it, it's, it should be small winners, small losers. And maybe I take payouts in that account, maybe not, but at least it lasts and I don't have to keep paying for resets and I don't have to pay a monthly rebill on it. So I think that's going to be the plan on it. Definitely feels good to have that though. Yeah, because when I see stuff, I'm like, oh, I really want to trade that. I can just do it. It doesn't matter. So it's pretty sweet. And it doesn't feel like I'm just wasting time because there's a potential benefit from it, right? And if I just switch over to the sim, which is what I used to do, it still felt a little bit like wasting time and a waste of a trade, especially if it was a good winner. But with the casino account, there could be, there's a potential benefit. So it definitely is helping out a lot. But all right, everybody, hope you had an awesome day. And yeah, it's unfortunate what happened to the live account, but it's trading. And I'll go to rehab and I'll dig out like I've done many times before, and we'll get back on the green. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.